Whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I stress overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore.
Hey Patrick, check this out, man. What are you looking at, man?
I got this product strategy that I'm using to convert products using photos shot in a really specific way. So basically, like when you shoot a picture of a product,
Yeah.
you have to observe people. So what I mean by this, sometimes when I'm launching a new product, I go into a retail stores that already sell the product, and I observe what people are doing. And that's kind of what I just saw. Like when you're looking at a sneaker, for example.
So what you're saying is, if you see someone holding a product like this, then the photo on Amazon is the same. They're holding it like this.
Yeah, I mean, just take a look. See, she's looking at it first. She's doing a profile shot of it.
Yeah.
Then she's doing a side shot. Then she's doing an overhead shot.
Oh my goodness.
And then she looks at the bottom.
Dude, that is brilliant. You're saying you've used this, it's actually working for you.
Yeah, absolutely. So you just duplicate that. You look to see what the normal customer behavior is, human behavior, and duplicate it with your photos. So you're watching the customer and not your competition. You're
Instead
not
of
copying anyone.
Right.
It was a product that wasn't doing so great, and it had 100% month-over-month increase for about 6 months. So
my goodness.
It made a tremendous difference.
Dude, this is so brilliant because you're going back to the shopper and letting that be the standard.
Listening to the customer.
Yeah. And I think it's easy to forget. Don't follow the competitor, focus on the customer because those are the people paying you money.
You can go into a certain area and dominate the competition because you're truly different just by having different photos.
Yeah.
Just by taking a different approach to it.
Okay, so don't watch me and even observing me, but I'm gonna buy this. Don't sell it. Let's go, man.